My name is Annie Mon. I started my internship at Review Lift in the middle of June, but the first that I heard about it was actually in April when my employer came and visited my class. He told some really good stories and let us ask questions and gave really good answers. So I reached out to him via email because he had mentioned that he wanted an intern. So I asked if he would be willing to take me on, and we had some interviews and he said yes. However, I felt like it was really too easy for me to get the internship, and I did not communicate with him from that time until the beginning of the next semester when I was supposed to start my internship. So the day before the semester started, I reached out and canceled. I felt like I couldn't or shouldn't do the internship at this time. He emailed me back and told me he really wanted me to intern for him and that he thought I would do a good job. And so I changed my mind again. It took a couple of months to finally get everything figured out because he was moving and setting up a new company. So I had to be really persistent without being pushy. And finally, as I was about to give up, he got back to me and we got everything figured out. These classes, B100, B215, B250, B320, and the beginning internship really helped give me a base to succeed at this internship. There's no way I would have been able to be a successful part of the company without this. Also, going to career services really helped me prepare for my final interview and help get my resume set up. Career services is definitely something that I wish I would have used more of. The things that I've learned from my internship is communication. I am better able to communicate with my clients, with my employers, with my coworkers, with potential employees for this company. I was able to learn a lot of recruitment skills, and I was able to design websites through WordPress and really improve on my skills. The things I would have done differently for this internship, at the beginning I was a mess. And if I had reached out to more people, especially my employer, I would not have put myself in the situation. Communication is key. If I had kept in communication with my employer, I would not have canceled last minute, and I felt like that was so unprofessional. So if I had stayed in communication, I wouldn't have put myself in that situation. Also, because I kept trying to communicate weekly after I had changed my mind for the last time, I got this internship. That's really the only reason. I also really wish I would have used career services earlier and more. The last thing that I learned from this experience, and I wouldn't have done anything differently in this regard, is trust in the Lord. I know that the Lord will take care of you when you are doing your best. Even though I had no idea what I was doing, I kept pushing through the mistakes and failures to find something incredible, and I know that it was because of the Lord that I was able to do that.